Words can't describe what you feel as a parent when you see your children have a level of fear that they've never had before. At 5 a.m. I heard the alarm going off. Looked at my phone, saw it was a front door intrusion. 2 subjects were in the house. It's sort of a village within a big city. It's really kid-friendly. We've got a farmer's market every Sunday.
It's relatively quiet in this area. There's a sense of community here in Pinecrest that you don't see in other areas of the county. But beginning in January, this region saw a big uptick in vehicle burglaries and car thefts.
I could see them on the cameras with masks on, and they're in our house. You know, your heart drops. I immediately called 911.
We began to search our flock system and immediately identified the vehicle. With that flock hit, we called on the sheriff's office helicopter, followed the vehicle for 22 miles, and ultimately led to a takedown of 3 subjects.
When I found out that the suspects were arrested, I was incredibly grateful. Flock really was the game changer.
If you're a police leader now in 2026 and you don't have this technology, you are really missing out on a great opportunity to protect your community.
We went to bed that night knowing that the criminals were off the street. I'm living proof that my family is safer because of this technology.